So what's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can find a user ID of a person in Slack. So what are you going to do is just open your Slack. You will be redirected to this home screen. So let's say I want to have a user ID of this person. So I just press over here, and over here you'll be having this option which says view profile, and then you will see his profile over here on your right. So as you can see here, beside huddle you'll be having three dots. Just press it. So you want to have his user ID. So out of all these options, just choose copy member ID, and it will copy the member ID. So just go over here and then just press Ctrl plus V, which is paste, and you'll find his user ID like this. That's pretty much, guys. This is how you find the user ID of a person in Slack. So that's all. Thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from us, and also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.